In this video, I am going to show you how to add testimonials to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to add testimonials to it. To add testimonials to our Wix website, open your Wix website editor. Now from the left menu, select Add section. Now select Testimonials. So there are 5 different types of testimonials that you can use on our website. I like these image testimonials, so I am going to drag this template to my website. And as you can see that testimonials are now added to my website. You can customize each and every bit of these testimonials. You can change this heading, this text and this testimonial text from here. If you want to change the image, just select the image, then click on change image. Now you can upload media from your computer and change it. To change the text, just click on the text and then click on edit text. And now you can add your text here, and after that you can also change the styling for this text. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.